Alright, so I got this one. This is the Junior Pyro, you know. So we have some good stuff in here. We got a Magnum flasher. We got a Smoky Balls. We got Crackling Sunset. We got the Big Snow missile-based 25 shot. And probably just nothing in this piece. They just fill it up with cardboard, so got that. Let's see here. We got some sparklers, some Morning Glory sparklers. We also got the mini blaster. Right, we got a mini blaster going on. And let's see here. We have some of these. Now these are, what are these called? Comet Fish Glitter? I don't know what these are, but they were...
Objective being said, ooh.
Yeah, these are going to be good ones, so we'll try that out. Let's see here. And then...
Hannah Hannum said, hi, Sherry.
We have a Stegosaurus. This one was for leaving a review on Google Reviews.
Objective being said, hey, Liz.
Oh, and we also have some neon sparklers too. It's quite a few sparklers actually. And then they also threw in some of these little things to help light it. I'm gonna see if these work. Let's see here.
Objective being said, ooh.
Alright.
Objective being said, neon.
Yeah, we'll get some neon. Oh, and I did. We have
Hannah Hannum said, yeah, those sound cool.
We have a guest today. We're gonna have we're having a little. He's been on the stream before, but he's gonna help us out with shooting off some of these fireworks so we have firework safety. Let's see if these work. So what kind of fireworks do we have? We got all sorts actually. Oh, people almost got me. Sounds like other people.
Hannah Hannum said it's Brother Lumber.
Yeah, it's Fish Cloud. Ooh, look at that. Where do you think we should set it up? Fish? You'll just call you Fish. How about that? Yeah. Since I'm Lumber. Go by your Twitch name. Probably away from the garden. Oh yeah, we don't want to kill the garden. So we'll do it away from the garden in the house. Oh, look at that, guys. Fire. Alright. Let's see here. I wonder if I can do it this way. Well, I'll be able to see it. Let's see here. Will it load? We have a signal? Oh, I need to change the stream stuff. We're no longer in World of Warcraft. We're in Just Chatting.
Hannah Hannum said you gonna do an interpretive dance for us with those.
Maybe. Is the category updated, guys? Are we good on the categories? It's back to Just Chatting. Alright.
Stickbo Style said yeah.
Cool deal. Alright. We'll start off with something simple, like one of these sparklers. Alright. If you want to look at it, you can. You can move the light a little bit, too. Yeah. We'll start off with these. Alright. Look it over here, guys. Watch me go. Alright, you can move the camera a little bit that way.
To my left?
Well, towards me, yeah. Away from the house. Ooh, somebody shoot off fireworks over there. on. Come on. Come on. You're not able to work. I think it's a dud, guys. I have to use the lighter. Here, hold that. That's lit. Alright, let's see if the lighter.
I want like a water bucket to put it in.
No, we want it to stay lit. It's on our lit.
Oh, okay.
Woo! Look at that, guys. How does it look? Watch this, guys. We're gonna keep the fire going.
Akita 76 said yay.
We got two going. You want to get yours lit? There you go. Alright, spin around. Alright. I mean, yeah, they're supposed to be bright. What do y'all think, guys? Firework time? Let me see if I can get I just want to watch it myself. Oh, it's gone.
Anna Hannum said I eat
I
cool.
think we should get like some sort of bucket to put it in,
You could just go get that, well, I mean,
Stickbo Style said you're supposed to write USA in the air over and over.
oh, alright, try that. Oh, no.
Stickbo Style said America.
Oh, no, let's try that. It won't. Just, look at the, orange bucket. Yeah, an orange bucket, we'll just put it in there. I mean, it's not
Anna
even-
Hannum said lol stikey.
It's, what I was gonna say? It rained today, so we're fine. We don't have to worry about it. Not really.
I mean, technically, plastic can burn if you.
Okay,
keep
let's move everything because I want to put it kind of that way out into the yard. So if you want to help me move some stuff, let's see here. But it's just a table. We just need to move the table.
This table.
Yeah. And you can put all this stuff here for me on the Jeep. Just to put that on the Jeep.
Anna Hannum said y'all got my nerves on edge.
Got your nerve? I'm sorry.
Should I put this somewhere?
Let me see it. I'm gonna just put that. It's not gonna get messed up here. This is the grill, so it's not gonna get messed up there.
I guess I'll put these on the hood.
Yeah, just put them on the hood for now. Gonna move. Gonna get a little movement going. Hopefully, I'll watch the stream back and see how well we did or not did. All right. Ooh. Alright, we'll put y'all here for now. How about that? Are we still good? We still got signal. We still got everything going. Actually, I think we're fine. Can y'all see me well?
Anna Hannum said yes.
Sweet. Good deal. Oh, something cool. Let me angle it down a little bit because you are seeing the top of the stuff. Alright, there we go. Alright, cool deal. That works. So let's see, what should we go next with? Should we do the mini blaster? Let's see here. Shoots flaming
These
balls.
418 said we play with fire down here all the time.
Yeah, we do. Let's see here. It says put in ground and light away. Huh, okay. That's what it says. Alright, so that's what we'll try to do. Alright, where's the fuse? Here's the fuse. Right here. Alright, we got the fuse, and I'm supposed to just shove it in the ground.
Hannah Hannum said Miniblaster.
Yeah. Alright. Hopefully I'll see if I can. Too far away.
Sierra 2 Sai said put in ground or shove in butt.
Woo! Look at it go! Look at it go! Oh, look at the eye. Look at that, guys. Whee!
Want to back up more so you can get more of it in the camera.
It's a pretty wide angle.
Wider view.
Woo, ah! What y'all think, guys? Was that fun? It was fun.
Hannah
What?
Hannum said so pretty.
Alrighty, it's booting up. Are we back? Are we back? Okay, I think we're back. Hi guys, are we back? The fireworks were so explosive, it knocked out the power cable. That's what happened. So, give me a...
Hannah Hannum said yay.
Alright, so we're back. Okay.
Stickbo Style said yes.
I need to fix...
Hannah Hannum said yes.
There's like a cable here I need to kind of fix a little bit, and I don't know how to fix it at this point.
Just slather it with super glue so it stays in place.
Believe it or not, people actually do that. They actually use what is it? Hot glue. They just hot glue the connector there,
Yeah.
and it will keep it in because it's just these two connectors in the back of you. So y'all's basically there's cables going into y'all's butts, and your butt just wants to get the cables out. So
I mean, so one is power and one is the signal.
yeah, this is the top one is the signal, and the bottom one is the power one. So we're just gonna have to hold you here. Kind of have to be careful with y'all. All right, let me zip up the backpack and put the battery pack in place. I had to get the battery pack out of there. All right, good deal. We're still good, right, guys? We have audio and everything. Just double checking. We have audio. Everything's in sync. Audio's in sync. All that good stuff.
These 418 said yes.
All right, good deal. Good deal. I need it. Okay, where's that? Move the table over here. Oh, I see it. Okay, I put it on the table. That'll just help it.
I wasn't sure where to move the table to.
No, that's fine. That's perfect. All right, and you can move the fireworks stuff.
The spent one?
Yeah, just move it all over here for me. We'll go this way here. Yeah, just move that over here so we can see stuff. There we go. We haven't started on the oh, we're almost going. We haven't started on the big pack. Alright, so the lady down there told me these have a kick. These Roman candles I got have a kick. So we're gonna try one, because we gotta try these out first. Or I guess this is not first, but you know, we're gonna try this out before we start opening up the big package. Alright, let's see here. Where is the... I guess the fuse is this one? Yeah, there it is. I see the fuse. I was told to firmly grip this. Firmly grip it. Oh! Something hit the
Hannah
roof.
Hannum said, ah, cool.
Alright, we're putting that one in the bucket. That thing had some kick, guys. I can feel it. Alright, let's get the neon sparkler going, because I feel like that's going to be cool. Oh,
Hannah Hannum said, see these fireworks don't freak out my animals.
that's good. Alright, so I'm going to face that way so we can see better. So these are supposed to be neon. Wait, what? There we go. Let's try to get used to it. Okay, we're gonna get up in personal here, guys. Hopefully my cables don't disconnect. Y'all see that? Woohoo! Whee! Y'all feeling patriotic? Everyone's feeling patriotic.
These 418 said, looks like freedom.
Freedom. It's K-Kona is the emote if you want to know. That's what freedom is. All right, I'll set y'all down here. Get some more of these going. All right, we're gonna do a double here.
Hannah Hannum said, Murica.
Oh no, that one died. We do a doubler. Man, they don't usually get going initially, huh? There we go, we got two going. America, yeah, woohoo! These ones don't smoke as much as the other ones.
Big old cloud around this.
Yeah, I know, but the other ones are more smoky.
Yeah, I think this one's getting really smoky towards the end.
Yeah, they do. Can we do like a double? The same one? Yeah, see that one's it's double lit. Look at it. And now it's showing a triple. Look at all that. Woohoo! That was cool. Look at that go. Look at it go. These are metal. Other ones are wood. Oh. Oh no, it's dark.
These 418 said, just throw it in the bucket.
Yep. Well, the bucket, it'll be fine, but we want to burn it all out. Alright, we tried everything. Let's try some of this stuff in the big pack. In the junior pyro pack. Let's get this going. Alright, we should be back. The cables just keep coming out. I'm going to have to glue that thing in there. I might even epoxy it.
There it is.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, there we go.
These 418 said, we back.
Okay. Man, I always have to have a little scuff. Alright, so we're going to start with is
The Mandarin.
Mandarin Magic. Mandarin Magic. Is this someone's nickname? I'm not gonna say who, but is this your nickname?
Sierra Tusai said.
What did Sierra Tusai say? What did Sierra? Look at the chat. What did he say?
These 418 said,
dot,
that's
dot,
what I'm
dot,
called
dot,
Johnny now.
I don't know how big the Mandarin Magic is, but we'll find out.
Objective being said, wow.
Woo. Oh.
Hannah Hannum said.
That's pretty.
We should get some of these going in the
No.
same line.
Just let the Mandarin magic do its thing.
Well, not necessarily lighting it from that, but
That's the Mandarin magic, guys. I mean, how long did that last?
Sierra Sai said, look at all that yellow. Hannah Hannum said, lol, Mandarin magic. I didn't hear that before.
Alright. This one is called Color Pearl. This one says it may reignite after lighting, so we're just going to leave it out there.
Hannah Hannum said Mandarin magic pretty quick. Miguel.
Get back, get back, get back. Clear. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. We gotta go. Woo, woo. So this is the Color Pearl. Oh, that looks kind of cool. It ends on like a little sizzle.
Hannah Hannum said that one is pretty.
Yeah. Alright, so this is Dancing Butterflies. It's a smaller one. Hopefully it isn't too big. This is Dancing Butterflies. Oh, look at it go! Okay. I guess this it lived as long as a butterfly does.
Hannah Hannum said it.
Let's see here, what else we got? We have these, but I think these might need to be done like on concrete. Let's see what they are. We're gonna light it and toss this. This is a Glow Blood Power Black Cat. So we'll see what this one does. It's a little bitty one. I don't know if it does anything. Let's see.
Hannah Hannum said that sounds dangerous.
Yeah, it's one of those little bitty little spinners. Did y'all see that? We have a bunch of those. Alright. We have some Magnum flashers. We'll see what this is. We'll see what the Magnum flasher's all about.
Hannah Hannum said, yeah, it had a little fizzle.
We had like, they gave us like 10 of those. I'm not sure what these Magnum flashers are for. Okay, so it's like little bitty these. Little bitty things. So I have a feeling that you light them and you kind of throw them off. They're probably just like pop, right? It's flashing you. Oh, 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 oh. It's like a little bitty old flashbang. Keeps flashing you. Alright. Oh, we got some more sparklers. Looks like we have... Is there anything in this section? I don't think there is. Well, what's that?
pink jumbo smoke.
Ooh. It's probably a bunch of smoke, I feel like. So we have Crackling Sunset. feel like I might have undid something here. Okay, I see. Probably goes in there like that. Take that off. Alright, we'll put you back in there. Like that. And we're gonna see what this does. Crackling sunset. That's cool. Ooh, look at that go! Look at it go! That looks pretty cool. A little crooked. Ooh. All right. Y'all want to? I don't know what this one is. This is a pink jumbo smoke, but I think it just makes smoke. We might do that when it's actually light out. But we did have two more things. Missile.
Infernoxus said in before lumber starts a fire cat.
Who's that? In before start. Yeah. I mean, we started a few fires already. All right.
Yeah, but the grass is wet.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, I saw it today, and I saw that it was.
Infernoxus said, "Lol, just playing."
We are playing with fire. This one is called the Missile Base 25 Shots. So that's what we're gonna go with. Hopefully y'all can read that. I'll let it focus for a second. Get nice and close to y'all. But it just has 25 shots. Let me go back a little bit. I mean, you can see it from way back here.
Anna Hannum said they have such creative names.
That thing had a short fuse, by the way. Is anybody counting? It's supposed to be 25. Alright, I guess that was 25. Alright. Well, we have one big thing left, and it's called
Anna
the
Hannum said, "Jeebus."
Big Snow. Alright, so this is going to be the finale for us. Because I think we did everything. I mean, we have spares, but we'll just put these away and save them for later. Oh, we actually have one little other thing. It's a party popper.
Anna Hannum said, "Bum bum boom."
Is that what you bum bum boom? Oh. Alright.
Infernoxus said, "Aw shit, lumber's popping must."
The last one, guys. Let's make it count. It's the big snow. Whoa, look at that. Look at it go. Huh. That wasn't very big. Alright, we're gonna throw off some more.
Infernoxus said no, an ad just came on. Anna Hannum said hum.
Remember, if you sub, you don't have to watch ads. Or Twitch Turbo. Maybe Cootie Little Cootie Boys. That wasn't very impactful. What did you do? Those are kind of cool. Like whatever. Alright. I guess I'll end.
Anna Hannum said that's like opening my box on Tuesday and still not seeing the heart.
You know, you win some, you lose some. How about this? I'm going to go out here with a Roman candle. So y'all can see these bad boys.
He's 418 said you mean like tomorrow. Anna Hannum said yes.
Don't stand behind me.
It's dead. This thing feels cool. These are nice Roman candles. Like these things.
Anna Hannum said it ain't happening. I only did 4 bosses this week and my baby girl just got home from Phoenix. Objective being said pretty.
Should we dual wield? Are we gonna dual wield the Roman candles? You want me to dual wield them? I'm gonna dual wield it for this grand finale. How about that, guys?
Anna Hannum said yeah. Objective being said yes.
Alright. I gotta get them prepped, guys. I'm working on it. Dual wielding in action.
Anna Hannum said 40.
How was that, guys? Was that an effective dual wielder? I think that was cool. These are warm. I'm gonna have to get some more of these. Well, guys,
Objective being said yay.
yeah, let me get some flashers too.
Anna Hannum said yay. That was awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna get some flashers going too here. I'm gonna bring them a little closer for y'all.
Sierra 2 Sai said I believe you will get the heart. Anna Hannum said Atai Yonner.
Get some sparklers. You want to start some sparklers, fish? Shoot some sparklers. Come over. Come on. Hurry up. Come on. I'm out of fuel, man. You're gonna quad wield? Ooh, there you go. There you go. Getting the camera. Show them everything off. I think sparklers are the funnest though. They're just pretty lights and smoke and stuff. So it's U-S-A-U. Oh man, we're out. Oh, I got some more sparklers. I haven't tried these sparklers. They came in the big pack. Oh, I'm blocking the camera for y'all. All right.
Sierra 2 Sai said USA USA.
Look at that go. The sparklers. I'm gonna get up close to y'all guys. Woo! Sparkler action! Woo. I'm just kind of upset a little bit about the stuff, but you know, I gotta fix that cable. I'm probably just going to have to fix the cable. I might have to do another cable or pull it a little bit more. Alright. Well, let's see. Do we got anything else to do? I think we've done everything, right, Fish?
Hannah Hannum said thank you, Lumber. That was really cool. Excellent stream as always. Night, guys.
Oh, wait. We got some... What are these? These are snaps.
Sierra 2 Sai said night.
See you later, Liz. I'm not sure what these are. These are super snaps. Oh, these are just, I think, things you throw on the ground. See if they work. Yep.
Objective being said night.
You want to throw one? You just throw it really hard on the ground. You gotta get your here, few. There you go. You got it. You gotta throw it like on concrete and stuff from the snap.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we used everything except for like the standard little party poppers and stuff. We'll get the party popper going. Let's see what it does. Woohoo! Ooh. That was fun. It just went, woo! It didn't even show up. Well, alright guys, I guess I'll just, stop the IRL thing and I'll come back inside and stuff and set everything up. I gotta set up my camera again because I use the same card and everything, but hopefully it'll be fine. Do you wanna just look through all this, Fish, and like put some of it in a trash bag and stuff? Like, some of it is, like, these are still usable. But we pretty much used up all the things. If you see something in here that looks like a fire, like spares, that's all that. All this is still there. And then that's like smoke stuff, which won't show up in the night. But anyway, alright. Alright, so I'll be over in the main stream in a second. And we'll go from there. Alright. So I'll see y'all. Hold tight.